Welcome back to Aging Wisely, Brain Health for Everyone, a 5-part video series presented by Drs. Migliorini and O'Connor. Here in Part 4, we introduce you to cognitive strategies. Cognitive strategies are thinking tips and tricks you can learn to reduce forgetfulness and improve your functioning in everyday life. First, we need to talk about attention. A lot of people think they're having a memory problem, but they really just never paid attention in the first place. Unfortunately, as we get older, paying attention may be harder than it used to be. To improve your ability to pay attention, work on harder tasks during the time of day when you are usually most alert. Minimize distractions and interruptions. Don't try to multitask. And slow down and take time to notice the details of your environment. It's difficult to focus on something when you're in a hurry or on autopilot. Okay, I'm paying attention. Now what? Well, one of the most common complaints we hear as neuropsychologists is trouble remembering names. So we're going to teach you some techniques for remembering names better. First, repeat. When you meet someone new, repeat his or her name back to them several times in the conversation. Second, connect. Memory can be improved by actively making associations or links between information in your mind. For example, when you meet Mitch, you might notice he has a large mustache. You might think of him as Mustache Mitch. Third, visualize. Visual imagery has been used throughout history as a way to improve memory. Like when you meet Catherine, you might think of a cat and you can imagine her wearing cat ears. The sillier it is, the more likely you are to remember. Organization can also help memory in everyday life. There are many types of organizational memory aids that people can use to reduce forgetfulness. One of the most important and impactful ones is a well-kept calendar. Keeping a good calendar routine can reduce stress and remove the burden off your memory so you can focus your mental energy elsewhere. Don't delay. Write down events, appointments, important dates as soon as you can. Place your calendar in a visible location and make a habit of checking your calendar first thing in the morning. Always record the 4 W's: when, where, who, and what. These cognitive strategies can help you reduce forgetfulness and improve your functioning in everyday life. Join us for Part 5, Next Steps to complete this video series.